All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So one and one. So one, just one of something. One, yes. One. I have one left. I have 1 cup of tea. 1 cup of tea. You have 1 chance left. You need, or they need 1 more day. 1 more day. Very good. I have 1 left. Just 1. Which one do you want? Which one will you choose? Yeah. She wants just 1 loaf of bread. She wants 1 loaf of bread. I have 1 gift for her. So 1 and won. Won, like a winner of sorts. Here we are. The winner. Yeah. I have won a prize. Won a prize. Yeah. I will win. He won the race. There is a big prize to be won, yeah. Have you seen what can be won? There are all sorts of prizes waiting to be won. Wow, look what you can win. How did you win that? I won it on that game. How did you win that? I won it on that game. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So let's look at winner. Winner. No, okay, win maybe? Oh, here we are. Win. Very good. Win. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use one and win in a sentence? Or one and one? And write them in the comments below. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.